Yeah, hallelujah. So I welcome you all to my screen. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah. So today I'm about to transform this $40 to $1,000. I know it sounds weird, but follow the process and know how we do it. Yeah. So before I start today's episode, this coming Saturday, I have a crypto arbitrage class for beginners. If you want to learn how to initiate trade, how to do crypto arbitrage, how to search for opportunities and make good use of it, yeah, I'll urge you to join my class this coming Saturday. If you want to buy the ticket, the link is in my bio. And if you want to buy it straight from me, I have my number on this video, or you can even chat me and I will deal with you straight. Yeah, a lot of people are using my name to scam people. So listen, I will not be the first person to chat to you that I'm Crypto Lord and stuff. I don't chat to you first. I will never chat to you first. So get it straight. Yeah. So today we can see that BTC is doing well, and if you go to the feed, you can see that the bullish is 100% and the bearish is for 0%. So it means that what people are buying it, people are making money from it, and it's also going up. It's also what's going up. Yeah. So today we'll be using BTC to do our trade. But before we use BTC, first of all, I've already told you that we have 5 things that you have to consider. So these things I have already told you too. The three, that one there, unless you're my student, that I will tell you. Yeah. So first of all, we have to check if the address are the same, and if the address fee will not make us lose money. So I'll go to my assets here and I'll try to withdraw to see that. So I'll enter BTC. So BTC here. So let me see the address of the BTC is BTC. No, this one is not BTC. BTC here. Why is doing this? BTC. Okay. Then I'll choose here, say hand. So you can see the fee here. So the BTC fee is what? 13.13 USDT. So it means that every transaction that you'll be making, you'll be paying 13.13 USDT. So before you initiate the trade, you have to check and see the profit that you're making. When you deduct 13 from it, are you making enough profits? So in this case, this BTC, if you really want to make more money, you need huge capital, like let's say $100, $200. Yeah. So since we are using $100, $200, but I wanted to use $40 to show you. But let me start from $100 to $200 for you to see something. So first of all, you go to your market here, BTC here, then you go to buy. So buy. I'm buying 100 worth of what USD of BTC. So I'll be getting 0.0000836. Yeah, that's the money I'll be getting. Then I'll go to the exchange platform. Then I'll go here and enter the exchange. So you can see that here I'll be converting the Bitcoin to the USDT over here. Yeah, Bitcoin to the USDT over here. So I will enter the amount of Bitcoin that I have currently. I'll paste it over here. So this is the amount of Bitcoin I have currently over here. So it was 0.00836, and I'll be getting 9.83 as profit. So it means that if they deduct 13 from it, I'm losing money. Yeah. So then I'll go back again and I will use higher money because Bitcoin, the address fee is always huge. Yeah. So if I'm using $500 to do it, $100 to do it, I'll be getting this one. Then I'll come here. You have to know that any amount that you input, you'll still be paying the $13. So if I pay this one, so one thing about arbitrage is that the higher your capital, the higher the profit. So if I'm using $500 to do it, I'll be getting 549. So if I deduct 13 from 8, I'll be making how many? 536. 536. So it means that I've made 36 profit from it. I've made what? 36 profit from it per one trade. I make 36 profits per one trade, deducting the address fee from it. I'm making 36 profits from it. So imagine if you have the VIM to 36 times 10 times, you're making $360. And if you're in Ghana, $360 currently on the Bybit or Binance is 12.3. So you're making 4,428 Ghana cedis every day. So let's say a month, 4,000, 426, 428 times. Let's say 30 days. So within a month, you'll be able to make 132,840. If only you can do 10 times, but there are rules govern the black market. So that one, if you purchase the black market, I will tell you the rules. The reason why I always say that purchase the black market is that the black market app, you have to subscribe to it for unlimited use, and that's $40. So that one will do it for you, then you use it. Yeah. And it also comes with rules. So people have the black market app and they don't know how to use it. So if you purchase it, we will show you how to use the black market app, because like that we have a reason why we call it black market. And I know if you have done economics, you know black market, you know how it is. And even if you are a street boy, you know what, and you know when we say black market, you know what we mean. Yeah. So this one is Bitcoin use, yeah, Bitcoin exchange, yeah. But we have a lot of pairs that you can use it that also have low transaction fee. But I wanted to use Bitcoin so that you know that Bitcoin also you can make money from it. Yeah. So this how you trade using Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, and that's simple. So whenever you transfer the money to your black market, and after doing the exchange, then you transfer it back to your Bybit or Binance. So if you're new and you don't have Bybit account, I have a link in my description. Download it and do your registration, and your first $100 deposit, we're getting $20 as bonus on it. Yeah. So that is how it is. Yeah. So we have a lot of pairs that you can use it that have lower transaction rates or fee. Yeah, but Bitcoin also always comes with higher fee. And I wanted to show you that Bitcoin also have opportunities that you can do it. Yeah, so thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord. And if you don't understand anything, don't just talk, just DM me so that we'll talk about it. Yeah, I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.